Hello students, let's do the blue shoes lose. Identify all the parts of the given parabola. So we got to find the vertex, the axis of symmetry. Is this got a max or a min, and does it have a y-intercept? Yes, it does. Here we go. All right, so let's just go ahead and go right through the list. The vertex, remember the vertex is either the bottom of the bowl or the top of the hill. So boom, looks like our vertex is right there at 2 and 4. All right, so it looks like it wants you to type it x comma y. So you would just type 2 comma 4 with no spaces, so just like that. Okay, so you're filling in the coordinate point 2 comma 4, no spaces. Now the axis of symmetry is actually a vertical line, so you must type it as a vertical line, so it says x equals number. Well, the axis of symmetry is simply the x coordinate of the vertex. So all you do is say x equals 2. Okay, what is that? That's this vertical line right there. If I could draw a vertical line, that's not too bad. I've drawn worse. X equals 2 is the axis of symmetry. That is the line that chops this parabola perfectly in half. X equals 2, no space. Does this parabola have a maximum or a minimum? So does it have a top or a bottom? That's definitely got a bottom, so that's the min. That's the bottom of the bowl, so I'm going to say min. All right, what's the y-intercept? Let's take a look here. Boom, there's the y-intercept. Looks like the y-intercept is 0, so I'm going to say y equals 0. Okay, they may also ask you for like x-intercepts. Not in this question, but sometimes you might have x-intercepts. X-intercepts is just where you cross the x-axis. So there's right there, there's x equals 4. And this is kind of a weird one. The y-intercept and the x-intercept also are the same thing. So your other x-intercept, just in case it happens, would be x equals 2. And that's about it. That's all the pieces that are pretty important about a parabola. The vertex is pretty important. The axis of symmetry is kind of important. Does it have a max or a min? And the y-intercept is also pretty important as well. And then every once in a while, x-intercepts come into play. So that's all I have for the Blue Shoes Lose. We'll see you in class.